So you spend time maybe in a fashion store or something. So the point is that when you're a part of such shows or you're in these kind of environments, you get this exposure, you try and learn, you try and interact, you come back with some additional knowledge and exposure and tasteful learning and stuff. And of course, I mean, as I shared that people can cope up with this whole concern of feeling dissatisfied or feeling stagnated or not inspired or feeling demotivated or whatever. The gist of it is that try these next 10-20 days, figure out what is it that you've missed out on, what are your hobbies, what are your likes, what do you love doing, and try and focus on that. And when you're focusing on what you love doing, then you're obviously going to enjoy it, and you're obviously kind of going to come back being a winner in that area, and you'll know more. And like I said, it's going to be a very satisfying and a very extremely pleasurable kind of an experience, because through these exposures of fashion and design, you learn refinedness, you learn tasteful stuff, you learn about elegance, you love about international market, you learn about personalities, you learn about celebrities, you learn about tasteful music, you learn about countries, you learn about cities, and then you realize that it is such an amazing and a gorgeous world out there. And the persistent issues that we have, which I don't want to even talk about, like pollution or traffic or illiteracy, it's just not there, because it's only certain minds and certain people who follow that or show us that it becomes a part of our psyche, and we only want to be focused on those 3 or 4 concerns and issues and stuff. It's in every country. And when you are kind of magnifying and participating and becoming a part of an expansive community or a club or a show or a place like this in Noida or in any part of the world or your city, you're automatically going to be feeling as if you're not alone, and you're a part of a lot of people who are doing similar things, and that can give you a lot of new ideas and inspiration. So this was supposed to be a 5-minute thing. I think I've outdone it. So I had a lot to share and stuff. So this is it. So I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com and or on jashinkapani.im@gmail.com. Thank you so much for your wishes. Thank you so much for your likes. And I wish good health to some of my friends who are not keeping well. They're in town from Nepal. So I wish you a very happy and a speedy recovery. And I hope you're feeling better. And I'd like to wish one of the ambassadors that I met today a very happy birthday. It was so amazing to meet you and spend time with you. And if you're following my video, you will also meet interesting people as these, who will guide you, who will tell you what are the good things about the world. And you can do away with the kind of negative mind shares or videos or stuff that is shown to you on social media and on TV, because then you'll get more clearer on how to kind of follow quality and improve. So the crux of it is improvement is really important. So Jashin Kapani is my name, like I said, and you can follow me and you can email me. And thanks for your messages again, and hoping to meet you in person. And thanks for your best wishes on my speedy recovery again. I'm doing good, I'm doing great. It's just a change of weather and stuff, so stay hydrated, because this is what the doctors also recommended to me. So stay hydrated, have a lot of water, have a lot of beverages, because the weather changes and then it affects you and stuff. And who would want to be at home and not work? So enjoy yourselves. Take care. Bye bye.